Hey, it's Alicia. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to register a domain name and send it on to your affiliate link. So for example, when I am promoting canva.com, my URL is the designtool.com. And when you type that in, it redirects over to Canva using my affiliate link. If you click in this dashboard or you click up here at the URL search bar, you can see after Canva all of this code in here. And then you see where it says source, Alicia 20% Little. That's my affiliate link, and you can see that it links to me. All right, so now we're going to do this for you. So let me just get a clean URL bar. So right up here where it says google.com, I'm going to type in the word register, www.today.com. No www in front of it, just start with the word register, www, because that's what you're registering, your domain name, today.com, and you're going to push enter. Right? This is going to take you over to Namecheap, where you can get a domain name for 99 cents. Now, you need to think about what is the name that you want for your design tool. So let's say, what is Canva about? It's about graphic design. So let's type the word graphic at your fingertips. So let me type graphicfingers.com. You can do graphic design right at your fingertips and click search. When I do that, I see that it's available, and it's just $8.98 a year. If I scroll down, I can see other options, or I could buy it even cheaper, like graphicfingers.xyz is only 88 cents a year. .lol is only $1.80, but we've got all these different options here. Usually I just pick the .com, but if I'm going to be doing maybe multiple things, or want more domain names with this for different purposes, then I'll go ahead and pick up some extra ones right here. Okay, so graphicfingers.com. So now you're going to add it to your cart, add to cart. Then as you check out, it's going to give you some other options that you can add. So if you want to get a HTTPS in front of that domain name, you would choose the SSL. If you want a VPN, which just gives you browsing, safe browsing and fast browsing, kind of hides where your computer is logged in at, you'd want a VPN, business email, all this kind of stuff. If you don't want any of that, just keep moving over to checkout. And then in the checkout, it's going to ask you how long you want your domain name for. I usually do 2 years. But it depends. If you can only do 1 year right now, you'll do 1. If it's a domain I'm going to keep forever, I'll do 5 years, so I don't have to think about the renewal. Here's what happens. Like if your credit card expires or something like that and you lose your domain name, someone else can pick it up and gain off of your traffic. It's happened to me more than once. So, usually I get 2 years, but just depends on your budget. Domain privacy, it is free forever. So of course, enable it and do auto renew. It gives you some choices here. Again, if you want SSL, if you're really going to use this domain name for your business, you'd want to pick up professional email. First 2 months are free, so you can check that out. But here you go. We got a bunch of different options here. And then you're going to go ahead and press confirm order. And then it's going to ask you to confirm everything. I'm in my account, so my account details are below, and then I can click Pay Now. If you want to edit anything, you can click Edit Cart. Now, the second part of the process is once this domain is registered, you want to forward it to your affiliate link, right? So let's say you have this long affiliate link, and you want, when they register Graphic Fingers, it goes to that affiliate link. So let me just show you an example. When you get that domain name and you log in, you're going to go to your domain information, and it's going to have domain, product, sharing, transferring, advanced DNS, and you're going to go all the way down to where it says redirect domain, and this destination URL is where you're going to paste your affiliate link, and then you're going to click on the green check mark for save changes, and now that domain name will forward to this destination URL. So again, once you're in your account, you're going to click on your domain details, and then in domain, right? You're going to go down to where it says redirect domain, and then destination URL is what you're changing, and you're going to press that green check mark, and there you go. Now, when anybody goes to the domain name you registered, it'll forward over to your affiliate link, and that's how you get credit and commission. And, you know, if you're only paying $8 a year for a domain name, it just makes it so much simpler. I like to say, is it going to pass the radio test? So let's say I'm on the radio and I'm talking about Canva, and I want to send everybody to my affiliate link for a 14-day free trial. So at the end of my interview, I say, all right, everybody, you can go to thedesigntool.com. That's right. Designtool.com and get a 14-day free trial of this amazing design software, thedesigntool.com. Enjoy it. And thank you so much for having me on this interview. So if I have to say, you can go to shareasale.com/u.cfm?D=705-3258-9724326. Does that pass the radio test? Yes or no? Absolutely not. So make it as easy as possible as you can for people to get to your affiliate links by getting a domain name that it redirects to. It's also easier to post on social media, put the domain name on top of a video or show it on a PowerPoint slide. So that's it. Hope you guys learned something from this video. So go out there and register the domain names that you need with register www.today.com. Thanks.